Would you like to create tasks in Wrike? I've got you covered. Follow me, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Ladies and gentlemen, creating a task in Wrike is pretty simple, straightforward. What we want to do on the left-hand side over here is you want to go into the space that you would like to create your task in, right? So let's say we are going into this personal space, and over here you will see tools, and you'll see create a tool or folder, and then you'll see projects and folders. Now what you want to do here is either create a new project or open up one of the existing projects. So let's go into project 1, and here you can choose a bunch of different views. So if you go up here, you can choose a bunch of different ways of viewing all of your tasks or your items. And quite simply, you're going to click on the plus item over here. And there you can see you can add in your task. Now, once you've added it in, you can actually click on it and you'll have a little window open up on the right-hand side, and you can actually define the properties of this task. So you can add a description, you can add a sub-item files, you can also add a dependency, and then you can change its status, assignee, and its date, as well as a bunch of other search fields over here. And this is literally saved as you create it. So there's no need to first save before you exit.